Hi there, it's Mr. Wyman from Willow Lane, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about phonics. We're going to have a lesson using words that have something in common. I want you to take a look at this word, see if you can read it out loud. What can you tell me about this word? Does anybody know what this is? Anybody. So this is a compound word, but there's something else unique to it. There's two Y's in this word that are behaving like vowels. You've probably heard what the vowels are. Obviously, you're in third grade. A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Today's phonics lesson concentrates on the Y, and I'm not talking about this one, although that does use a Y as a vowel. It sounds differently, though, from the Y's in anybody. Why? How? How does it sound different? I want you to think about other words that sound like Y. What are some other words that you can think of that end in Y or have the same sound as Y? Give it a try. You don't have to fly anywhere. Can you think of any others? Now, can you think of any words that use Y as a long E sound, like the Y in anybody? How about study? Creepy. Nobody. Already. Greedy. What do all these words have in common, in addition to them possessing the Y that has the long E sound? Listen to the words as I say them. Anybody, study, creepy, nobody, already, greedy. They all have more than one syllable, whereas over here, these words all have only one syllable. In today's lesson, you are going to do exactly what you see here. You are going to have some words that you're going to cut out, and you are going to lay them out like we typically do. Now, after cutting out all of your words and spreading them out on a surface, you're going to read each word and decide whether it has the long E sound or the long I sound. As I'm sure you've noticed, on the paper that came with the words that you're going to cut out, there are two words, study and spy. Now, you aren't going to take those word cards and paste them on here. No, that's not what I want you to do. I want you to use these categories. You can put the words in these columns in order to determine what word they identify with, whether it be study or spy. But then I want you to hand write nice and neatly on your paper using pencil the words that have Y as E and Y as I. Also, I would love to have you come up with words and write down words that aren't in the word cards. I think the photocopier just happened to put this line in the middle of your paper, but you could use that. And down here you could put your bonus words. Try to squeeze the words that are given to you up here. Make sure you write your name and bring this paper back to school.